Okay, in this video, I'll tell you a few things that need to happen in order for Shiba Inu to go up. So, if you are invested in Shiba Inu, you need to look for these three things. If they are aligned, we'll have a very strong bull market for Shiba Inu. And we'll jump right into the video. All you gotta do is like the video for the algorithm, really helps out. So, the first thing is Bitcoin dominance. Whenever the Bitcoin dominance is high, the out season isn't there. When if you remember out season, I've already drawn that, but out season started pretty much here. The very healthy out season was from the 26th of May until this 26th of March, 13th of May. So that's 2 months. There was a very long out season. So Bitcoin dominance falling down is very important in order to have a strong Shiba market. But there's a warning here. I have Shiba Inu. I'm interested in it going up. I think it will go up this week because there's two more things you should watch out for. But let me emphasize. Seeing the if you go on the 30-minute chart or the 15-minute chart or 5-minute chart, you might think that the dominance is already really high at 47. But if we go to the weekly or the daily chart, it doesn't really look that way. Bitcoin dominance at the beginning of 2021 was at 71. And it's really hard to get a high volume of Shiba in the bull team when the Bitcoin dominance is down. So Bitcoin dominance basically represents our people feeling safe. If people are feeling safe, dominance goes down because people are just buying into altcoins. Right now, people, when there's a lot of uncertainty in the market in general, this is what I found. By the way, this video is no financial advice. I'm a random dude. Bitcoin dominance goes up. While we're at it, I gotta tell you that you should definitely like the video for the algorithm because it really helps out. If you just go down, like the video, you can see that you can actually buy Shiba Inu with the lowest fees. So Binance, I buy my Shiba Inu on Binance. I will be buying in a little bit more this afternoon. And if you want to get into leverage trading, futures trading, the best platform for that is actually Bybit, and they're giving you a bonus. I'm partnered up with them for this bonus. Check it in the link in the description down below. So there's a few things you should know when it comes to Shiba Inu right now. To have the support is very strong around this synchronous area. We had some dips. Definitely don't margin trade Shiba Inu. My lunch is coming. I've got a few minutes before I have to wrap up the video, but the Shiba, I wanted to share a few things before lunch. Shiba Inu has massive support at this area, the 600 area, massive support, always rebound from there. Bitcoin dominance, yes, it's high, but the RSI is high as well. So you shouldn't be too worried about it right now because it's still low, but it's high in terms of RSI because it just had a it took a massive dip and now it's just recovering. The issue here is it stays with a higher RSI or lower RSI for long periods of time. You can see from April to May, you can stay with lower RSI for a month. So it's really hard to have a definite approach to it, but definitely if we get a decline in Bitcoin dominance for a while, if we can head for the 30s again, that's going to be good. The next two things that we're waiting for is shibaswap and that's interesting. I'll read it later. We are waiting for news from Coinbase Pro. I'll make a video on it first when it comes out. Coinbase Pro have to list Shiba Inu, but they haven't already. They had to. Last week they didn't. We had a 30% increase, then like a 40% decrease. After that, they're having some technical difficulties, which isn't actually a bad thing because Binance had technical difficulties because the Ethereum contracts were running out. So that's actually a good thing because there's a lot of interest in it. And also another thing that's interesting that we're waiting for this week is shibaswap, and shibaswap should happen this week. Satoshi Kusama said the only issue is security, and there's already videos on it. People really excited. I made a video on it as well on my channel, as you can see here. I've made a video on it, but I've also made polls around it, and everyone was where is the Shiba swap video? Here it is. And people, in general, people were very excited for it. Look at this. Shiba Inu swap. Where is it? Swap. Okay, here it is. Shiba swap testing is over. 146 votes. This basically 33% of the views. Everyone is interested about it, and it works great. People are having fun with it, thinking that it's gonna be some good news about it. I want to read more about the news, but yeah, we've got some good Shiba news as well. Actually, today I think this week will be very hectic for me as someone that creates content around news, because I expect some massive updates on Shiba Inu. So the three things to emphasize again that we're waiting for right now are Bitcoin dominance going down, Shiba swap, and Shiba coin listing on Coinbase. We might even have a listing on eToro as a bonus. I really hope this helped you out and encouraged you. The Shiba army is strong. If you go on Reddit, people are posting memes. They're holding. There was a pleasure. Stages of a trader to the moon. Buy the dip. Damn, I should not have bought. Why didn't I buy more? Rambo soon. What's wrong? Should they sell? And now we're at this stage. Am I wrong? Was it wrong? Well, I'm not worried that much, even though I lost a lot of money with the current dip with Shiba Inu. If the video helped you out, give me a like. I'm gonna have some lunch.